Meaning of inscription.
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 Inscription. The word inscription refers to the act of writing or carving something on a surface, often with the intention of making a permanent mark. Inscriptions can be found on a variety of objects such as monuments, tombstones, coins, and artifacts. They are often used to commemorate an event, identify a person or object, or convey a message. Inscriptions can range from simple inscriptions of names and dates to more complex ones that tell a story or convey a religious or philosophical message. The art of inscribing has been used throughout history and continues to be an important form of communication today.